Class 6th, chapter number 4 of computer, and next topic is table formatting. Table formatting means how we are modifying our table, how we are changing the appearance of our table. Table styling. Whenever table is inserted, PowerPoint automatically assign the table style to the table. Whenever a table is inserted, PowerPoint automatically assign the table style to the table. Several tables style can be viewed in the group of table style. When you will click, you will find there are several styles are there. On the design tab under table tool tab, you have to select the table tool tab, then you have to select the design view, and in the design view you can find different styles of table. Now select a table for applying a table style. Now select a table for which you want to apply the table style. For accessing all the table style, click on the design tab and other option. For accessing all the other table style, click on the design tab and other options. For a view live view, so slide the cursor over various table style. If you want to see that how the table will look like, you can just slide your cursor over the various table slides. For a complete list of options in the table style group, you can click on the more drop down option or a tab. Select the chosen style. You can select the style whatever you want to apply. Now for changing the table setting, if you want to change the table setting, select the table and click on the design tab. Select the row and column to be modified. Now from the group of table styles, click on the shading option and pick the color of choice. You can select the shading option from the table style group, and you can also change the color as per your requirement. Option can also be selected from drop down list of shading from table style. The different options are there which you can also select from the drop down list of the table style. Now applying a border. MS PowerPoint provide an option to add a border to a table which help in enhancing the appearance of a table. Select the rows and column and cell that are to be modified. Just select the rows and columns and or table which are to be modified. On the design tab, select the table style group and click on the border to button. Then choose the all border option from the drop down. You can select that all the border option from the drop down. The border selected will be applied to all the selected row, column and cell. The option which you will select, that option which will be applicable to all the selected rows, column and cells. Next is how to change the color of the border. Color pen tool is used to change the color of the row, column and cell. Click on the button of the color pen in the group of draw border. Just click on the button of the color pen in the group of draw table option on the design tab after selecting the table. Select the desired color from the color palette. Different color options are there. Just select the desired color from the palette. The cursor change into a shape of pencil. When you will do this, the cursor will change into the shape of pencil. Left click on the corner of the selected border which need to be changed. Drag the mouse on the left border and release the button. The line color will be changed at an instant. The left click on the corner of the selected border which need to be changed. Drag the mouse on the cell border and release the button. The line color will be changed. Now how to change the style of the border. Pen to style tool is useful in changing the line style for table. Select on the pen style list on the design tab under the tool tab. After the selection of the table, select the desired style from the drop down menu. Just select the desired style. The cursor change into shape of pencil. When you will do this, the cursor will change into the form of pencil. Place the cursor on any border and click on it. Drag the pointer on it and view the change. You can drag the mouse pointer over it and you can see the changes there. Now text alignment. Alignment of text means positioning of text in row, column, cell. What is alignment of text? Alignment of text refers to the positioning of text in row, column and cell. The text is always aligned at the top of the cell by default. By default, it is aligned at the top. On the layout tab, there are number of alignment buttons, namely align text left, center, align text right, align top, align bottom and center vertically. Different options are there which you can select. Like align text left, center, align text right, top, bottom and center. Choose the row and column and cell whose alignment need to be changed. On the layout tab in the alignment group, click on the button center vertically. Notice the changes in the alignment of the text. In the same way, any alignment can be selected from the choice given.